you have lots of time. Okay, 24 hours is more than enough. 8 hours, 7 hours sleep, it's a luxury, right? 8 hours of studying, still 3 hours breakfast, lunch, dinner, and 5 hours you are still getting. So you have sufficient time. The thing is where you are utilizing it, what are your priorities. Over the period of time, you will be able to compare your marks also. So complete Kundli will be here on this chart. What does success look like in UPSCs? If you, from your heart, feels that you are following daily discipline, you have patience and you trust in the process. That is how success looks like. And golden rule is have one plan, one source, one routine, and a long vision. One plan, one source, one routine, and a long vision. That is only thing, a golden rule for UPSC students. Okay. Next is, what does success looks like? It looks like something this chart. Let's fill this. Okay. Let's say you started with polity. You should have a planner. See, students who have issues in regularity or a discipline is having manifestation of what you are doing, means tracking your time. Simply track your time, what you are doing. I told you, you have lots of time. Okay, 24 hours is more than enough. 8 hours, 7 hours sleep, it's a luxury, right? 8 hours of studying, still 3 hours breakfast, lunch, dinner, and 5 hours you are still getting. So you have sufficient time. The thing is where you are utilizing it, what are your priorities. So you need to decide your priorities and time will give you the fruits. Okay. So what you need to do is, how you need to have a productivity planner is with polity. So you wrote polity, let's say preamble. You will study preamble, or let's take my one thing, NCRT. Class 9 NCRT you will study. Next you will study is newspaper. Okay. So you decided these two things, that I'll do today these two things. So once that thing is done, highlight it or put a tick mark, I've done this. Newspaper done, check. So fill this box. Here I don't know how to fill a box or highlight a box. So you can fill this box, that this box is my done. Okay. Next day you decided polity. Again I'll study polity. This time NCRT. Or class 9 ke I'll read 2 chapters today. And again newspaper. Now let's say this time you could not fill the targets, or you could not fulfill the targets. What you'll do is highlight it yellow. Yellow or red. What you can do is green color for done and red color for not done. You can do like that. At the end, how this planner will help? First, it will help you build accountability. Second, it will help you track that which topics are done and which are not done. Because at the end, we are confused. When we have a syllabus in front of us, no, we are totally confused that what is done and what is pending. At least I should get to know that. So you will be writing everything topic wise. At the end, you will be aware that which topics are done and which are yet to be done. And let's say this week you did this, and here you kept for revision, everything for revision. So you will have a confidence that I have revised, and you gave test also, and write test marks here only. For example, you scored 70 out of 100. So over the period of time, you will be able to compare your marks also. So complete Kundli will be here on this chart, and you will be able to detect where was the problem or where the issues are coming. It will help you to motivate also. It will help you to build accountability towards yourself. it will help you in tracking your syllabus also. So this is the system you need to build.